Hi there, and namaste. Welcome to the last day of the 7-day meditation challenge. Today's meditation, we'll be doing a body scan to improve sleep and find deep relaxation. You can find a comfortable seated position, but the best way to do it is to lie down. So if you can, lie down on your yoga mat or in your bed and make sure that you're warm enough. Then bring your knees up and let them lean against each other. Bring your big toes together. Separate your heels far out. Bring your arms along the body, palms facing up. Head is in the center. Make sure you're comfortable, and once you are, find stillness and close your eyes. Let's begin with a big belly breath in through the nose. Deep breath out, allowing your body to soften and release tension. Take 3 more deep breaths. By focusing on our breath and body, we'll slowly shift from thinking and doing into feeling and being. Continue taking a few more deep breaths if that feels good. Otherwise, allow your breath to follow its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to all the body parts that are touching the floor. Feel as if you're being carried and supported. And then shift to our sense of hearing. Without any judgment, just notice the sounds around you. Sounds far away or close by. Then focus on one sound. Let that sound go and bring your awareness to another sound. And release our sense of hearing. Coming back to our sense of feeling. We're going to scan our body from one body part to the other. Try to stay awake and observant without trying to change anything. We'll start focusing on our right side. Bring your awareness to your right big toe. Experience it, feel it. Second toe, third, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Sole of your foot, heel, top of your right foot, your right ankle, shin, calf, knee, upper leg, your right bottom, and your right hip. Let's bring our awareness to our left side, our left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, sole of the foot, heel of our left foot, top of the foot, left ankle, shin, calf, knee, left upper leg, your left bottom, and left hip. Bring your awareness to your right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, right wrist, lower arm, elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder. Bring your awareness to your left side, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of the hand, back of your left hand, left wrist, lower arm, elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder. Bring your awareness to your torso, your stomach, your chest, your rib cage, upper back, mid back, lower back. Bring your awareness to your head, top of your head, forehead, eyebrows, your eyes, temples, cheeks, your nose, your mouth, your jaw, chin, your tongue, and your ears. Back of your head, neck, throat. Now take 5 deep cleansing breaths. And with each exhale, notice your body softening and relaxing more and more. Imagine or visualize your body sinking into the earth with each out-breath. Continue to breathe in your own natural rhythm. And notice how your body feels soft and warm and relaxed. You are welcome to stay here and to fall into a deep sleep. Otherwise, if you're ready to finish this meditation, begin to deepen your breath. Preparing yourself to wake up. Slowly roll over to your right side. Push yourself up with your left hand and come to a comfortable cross-legged position. Bring your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Lower your chin down. You can rub your hands. And whenever you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open. And thank yourself for taking this time to find deep relaxation. Thank you so much for joining me today and in this meditation challenge. If you made it this far, I'm so proud of you. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my meditation, then sign up now for my free guide to stress-free mornings. The link is right down below. Just click on it, sign up, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.